Hi, I'm Geneva Long, CEO of Bowlus. Whether you're working remotely, streaming your favorite shows, or staying in touch with family, reliable internet is no longer optional. It's essential. And when you're traveling off the grid, Bowlus makes it effortless. In this video, we're diving into how Starlink fits seamlessly into the Bowlus lifestyle. Luxury travel doesn't mean leaving the modern world behind. Bowlus owners value the ability to disconnect, but not go completely dark. Whether you're parked beside a serene lake or boondocking in the high desert, having access to high-speed internet adds convenience, productivity, and peace of mind. Starlink has changed the game for Bowlus owners. Starlink is satellite-based high-speed internet service that delivers fast, reliable coverage all over North America and many parts of the world. It does not rely on cellular service like your mobile phone, and the connection speeds are very fast, often even better than the internet you have in your home. With the endless highways, Starlink is available as a fully integrated option, meaning it's factory installed and perfectly housed within the Bowlus design. We custom build the Starlink dish into the curvature of the Bowlus roof, and we install the Wi-Fi router inside the galley. This placement ensures that you have high-speed internet in every room of your Bowlus, and it even reaches the inside of many tow vehicles, perfect for individuals or families who want to stream movies en route to their camping destination. When you're ready to camp, there is no stress with the setup and no figuring out where to store equipment. It's all ready when you are. You just turn on your Bowlus power and you're online. But even if you don't choose the integrated Starlink package, every single Bowlus is Starlink ready, meaning you can set up your Starlink dish and be online within minutes. This level of flexibility is part of what makes Bowlus stand apart. You get cutting-edge connectivity your way without compromise. Imagine working from a mountaintop with your morning coffee, holding a Zoom meeting while overlooking the Pacific, or simply streaming Netflix under the stars. Bowlus and Starlink together make that a reality. You don't have to sacrifice luxury or functionality to go remote. So whether you're chasing solitude or staying productive on the road, Bowlus makes it easy to stay connected without giving up freedom. With integrated Starlink available or a Starlink-ready setup on every model, you choose how you want to stay online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Bowlus travel tips and features.